And there's that.
Second. No go, no go. All right,
So they gave us 2 umpires here. That's nice.
Oh.
Dang! 2 balls, 2 strikes. Fake.
Most errors, man.
Yeah.
Dang! 3.
He's on there too?
Hey there, Paul. Going, he's going. Dang! Good heads up, John.
Just 3 guys were hurt.
1 ball, 2 strikes, yeah. Watch it, Lou. Oh, damn it. Foul ball.
Almost, Vinny, almost.
Saved $3 to $7.
Hey, John, nice hit, buddy. Hey, Q. Thank you. Got 1 here, guys. 1. Right. Yeah. Right in the hole. Come on. Slow down, Johnny. Slow down. Easy, John. Easy. Go.
Don't throw it. Don't throw it.
John. That's it. I got it. It's all right, Tommy. It's all right.
Plenty of game, Tommy. Plenty of game, bro.
Easy, Hal. Walk it. Good boy, Eddie. Wait. That's 3.
Good, I like it. Not that way.
Go. 2 balls, 1 strike.
I'm the catcher, not him.
Come on, Ned. Come on, baby.
Come on, Ed, to the plate. 3-1.
Come on, Eddie.
Come on, Dad. Come on.
Yeah, that's great.
Good job.
We're lefty.
We asked him, was he really?
What? Plate.
Atta boy, Tom. Atta boy.
Way to go. Go. Stay there.
Lefty.
2 out.
Tell Lenny to give him a little room. Somebody in the middle, let Lenny get a little room.
Runner from the plate. Runner.
Hold it. Got a good look.
No runner from the play. No runner from the play. We're going to get you Sophia Loren.
Let's catch play. Yeah. Don't hit to him. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie.
That's where you want to play.
Short. 2-1.
That's where you want to play.
Go, Charlie. No go. Straight ahead, Joe. Come on, Len.
Heads up.
A couple years ago. Lenny, come on.
Lenny, you got another shot, Lenny. Come on.
Oh, yeah. No, I know.
Side!
Oh! All right, good hustle.
I didn't.
Two. Play. 2 out. Come on, Michael. Attaboy, Len. All right, Dennis. Attaboy, Michael. Come on, Dan.
We got 2.
2 guys. 2.
Joe!
You gotta get there, Lenny.
Play.
Quick.
That's in there.
Stay right here. Stand right here. Get that one in the bag.
Hold it up a second.
I got you.
Come on, move in. There you go.
Wait. God.
That wasn't bad.
Can't leave early, it was a B. There we go. Victor in, baby. Come on, Victor. Straighten it out. You got to keep it. Come on, Victor.
All right, 2 fouls. Come on, guys.
No, that was strike 3. That was strike 3. Sorry.
He took one?
3 out.
Oh, okay.
Strike, 2 fouls. Come on, Ed. Let's go, Ed. What do you know?
Nice man.
Go.
He's a Christian man.
2 balls.
But he, I don't know whether he's Christian, but he
Come on, Ed.
talk to you just like he's been here for a year.
He's a Christian.
That's it. Good eye. Good eye. Go on, Ben. Take it. Good job. Good job, Vinny. On the swing, right? All right. What? Come on, John. All right.
You gotta catch those.
All right, Gary. Time. Come on, Dave. And then 1. I see where they go ahead of it. Go one here, guys. Play. Come on, Ed.
Wait. Back there. That's a play.
Hey. Oh, sorry. 2.
Almost beat the strikeout. Almost got hit in the head.
How many out, Ed? Got 2 out. 2. Watch this play. Play. Come on, Ed. Let's go, Big Ed. Let's go, Frank. Ball. 2-1.
Come on, Frank. Get him in, Frank. Get him in. Put us on the board. That's it.
Come on, Ed. Down the pike.
All your life. Me too.
Oh,
Good hustle. Good hustle. Way to go, Frank.
Surge. Something like that happens, get in the front of the plate and put your right foot on the bag. Thank you.
2 out. 2. Play.
Yeah. Big. Yeah.
Get away, Ed. Get away. Damn.
I don't know too many pitches in this league that can punch the ball.
Wait.
No, he's right here.
No, he's out. He's out.
He's not out.
I believe
He's not out. He didn't make
No.
the play.
No, hey, Vinny. Vinny.
In the beginning, though. Play on me. That was out. Not out.
Look, they look. Guys, wait. They waived that rule for this game, for today's game. We waived that rule for today's game. Sorry, nobody told me. It shouldn't be. That's what because they're on different fields.
Paul, the rule is even if they attempt to throw at me, I'm out.
Yes.
But they did not.
What in the beginning of your game? Did you make a rule for that?
What was it? So we're waiving that rule.
Waiving the rule, so he's good at first base.
Okay. However,
it's got to be a dead ball. It's got to be a dead ball. It's got to be. You can't have both. It can't be both.
Just want to be sure.
So they did. That is. Let's go, sir. It can't be a play. Right? It's a dead ball. If you make the turn, no matter what, that's dead. Because first base is going to play. It's fine. Just don't do it again.
Base hit.
All right, Sarge. We have a runner. Come on, Sarge. We got another runner from the play. We got nobody out. Play.
He's got it. All right, let me hear a call.
Nice one, Gary.
Umpire.
1-2.
That's why I was trying to alert the ump. Now he'll probably just swing regular.
Come on, Paul. Right.
It would have been a lead ball.
2 out, guys. 2. Stay there, Chuck. Stay there. 9. Wait. Nice shot.
Easy, Chuck. Slow down.
Time.
Oh, no.
Yeah, for the camera. Wait. All right, how about it? Good night. All right. Got one?
And there's runners on base. I thought that was on deck. Guy in front of me.
Dave, you can't eat during the game. I got up that match for the beginning. I think the score to pick where we were. This is going to be in Tony's newsletter. Where is Tony? Is he here? I didn't see him. He's here early. Oh, what's he here?
I caught one. I was like, there's our
Let me know once you stop preparing my bun for my dog.
All right.
Boom.
Go.
He's got it.
Stand up.
Hey.
Good job out there. Nice work.
And nobody here got a runner from the plate.
Runner from the plate, outfield, white post.
Red line.
Red line. Plate.
Go behind the red. What's going to be behind?
Ball. Sorry, Vic. Wait till she swings. You gotta swing the bat.
I ripped it on this field.
Ah, good, Vic. Do another one.
I hit a guy in the batter's box. I went crazy. What is it you like?
I got it.
Right there, right there.
There's 3 bands. There's 4 bands on the rotate. 3 of them will grip. 1 is in.
Wait. Die. One ball.
That's it, Vic. Come on, Rick.
2 weeks. I could hit the shortstop.
You know what hurt me? Last year was
Yeah. Good job. Good job.
Die.
Awesome. Good job, guys. Good job. Joe. Good hit, Frankie. Stay there.
All right, Mark, you're up.
Still no out.
They want to do surgery. That's no way.
Give it a little push, Howard.
I'm telling you, try it.
No out. Let's cut off the run. Let's cut off that run.
Right. You get it at home. Watch first. And then get it on the play. All right, nobody out. Good better. Play. Die. One more.
Good one. Good one.
Strikes on 2. Strikes on 2. Strikes on 2, right?
Where we got 5? 5 on 2. Got nobody here, guys. Wait.
Inside, Vic. Pitch him inside.
Yeah.
Surge would have had
Come
it.
on, drive it here. You can't go wrong, right? Drive it.
I wish he was here.
Dive, Mike.
Give me Mike.
Right. Inside.
Walk the run. Walk the run.
How many runs did you know?
Take your header out. Down with an extra foul.
Then I realized
Eddie, how many out?
One.
I got turn 2, guys. Get the plate at the plate or turn 2.
Turn 2 is not going to help. There's no outs. No outs. 5 is on 3. You just said no outs.
Right.
Up, how many out?
You got to throw it home, outfield.
Inside. Just missed.
My teammate tagged with it. Both teammates now.
Fat.
Don't hit out.
He's got a strike and a foul. Throw home, throw home. Too late.
Vic, I just lost a lot of money on you, Vic.
He forgot it was 5.
Sorry about that.
Money on
It's too slow. It's too slow. It's too slow.
Don't bet money, honey. How you doing?
Still try.
All right, come on, let's go. What's the order? Everybody know?
Make that play, Vic.
Come on. Oh. Heads up. Wait.
Come on, Ed.
All right, Eddie.
Get back.
All right, get him. Time. Run, you fool.
Got him.
Good
Good play. Got the lead running.
Good play. 2 outs.
You got a runner at 1, guys. Who can run? Come on.
You want to run, Chuck? No, he's getting up. All right, hold on. No, don't
Check it. Wait. Yeah.
Good hit, Paul.
Got a foul about it too, right? Wait. Time. You have a foul. Yes, you do. I know.
Come on, Charlie, smack that ball.
Wait.
Come on, Charlie.
Deep.
Good eye.
Leg it out. Go.
Time.
All right, Paul, good hustle. Come on, Lenny.
I hope it is. I didn't say. I didn't say.
Mike needs a runner.
Two guys. Wait.
Let's go, Lenny. Come on, Lenny.
I thought that him and the other guy was playing.
Third. Ow. All right.
Nice play.
Good play. Almost lost your head, Paul.
I know. Good play. Some more runs now. Let's get some more runs, fellas. Never have enough.
Nice going, Jan.
That was important to put pushing up.
Back of the play there, guys. Back of the play. Stop him from walking. Let's get some more runs now. Come on, more runs. Get some insurance here, guys. Come on. Get some runs, guys.
Come on, Vinny, get us going.
Nice play out there, right?
That's the way to do it, guys. Get a 5, shut them out. That's the way to do it.
We have Walt the guy that can hit and Walt the guy that can't. Oh, he got a hit the other day again. He got a hit the other day. He did not.
Walter down in Georgia takes over 3 guys, man.
Yeah.
Ball. That's it. That's the one. 1, 2. Hook out. Come on, Vic.
Hey, how you doing?
To the glove, Vic.
That's it, Chucky.
Go, Chuck.
I always tell him he sucks. You always tell me I suck.
Pick it up.
Honey, I'll tell you, I suck and I suck. Yeah, wait. Until somebody compared to what I used to do.
Oh. Time. Oh, that's okay. Inside, just missed.
Not illegal?
Not
No,
illegal.
it's
12
good
feet.
pitch. Just inside.
12 feet. Come on, Vic. Let's go, baby. Come on.
I think last week Eddie.
All right.
Eddie what? Yeah. Hard too.
All right.
Come on, Dave, big run out.
Go one here, guys. 1. Come on, Vic, to the glove.
Yes. Dave. 1 out.
Time. Short.
That's it, wait for yours, Frank. 1 out, sir. Be ready and home.
Okay. 2-1. Come on, Vic, to the glove.
Good.
Go.
It was foul.
No way.
Go.
Good base. Time.
That wasn't foul.
Not even close.
I couldn't see it. I wanted to know. Don't get upset, Paul. I just asked.
I would never see you guys.
Sneaky
hit.
I'm not questioning your ferocity.
I think you should call Manhattan. Call it in. Go in here, guys. 1 play. Cut off the run.
No force.
Ball.
Good.
Ball. Stop. That's the one. Look out and get a foul, brother. Come on, Vic, right here, to the glove.
There it is.
Good eye, Lou. Good eye. Take it, runner. We got a runner first, guys.
Frank, one bit.
Need a runner, Al.
I got one out.
One out. That's the first walk, right?
Somebody's saying 2 out. That's the first walk. That's okay.
You gonna run for Lou?
I got time. One out. One, guys. Just one. Runner at one, you run for yourself, right? Coach, you're out of here. Okay. All right. All right. Go home, guys. One, play. Come on, Vic, to the glove. Come on. Inside. Pick it up, pick it up.
Remember, Serge, your first baseman. No more. How many walk? 2.
Only one.
To the glove, Vic. In.
Where's 5? 5's on 2.
Hey, be smart up there. Be smart up there, right?
5's on 2.
Come on, Vic. Make a hit out of him.
Oh, yeah.
Take it. That's it.
5's on 3. 5's on 3.
Woo!
5 on 3.
5 on 2. No more walks. We got one out. Yeah.
John,
John, 5 on 3.
I got him coming. I got him coming. He's coming.
We got a couple of guys.
Hey, Blue. One out.
One out.
So they brought the teenager from left field. Do it, Bob.
On the white line, you got to throw him out at home.
Right over the infield.
Yeah, absolutely. 5 is on 3, right?
All right, he's ready.
Johnny, 5 is on 3. Come in. You got to be able to hit home. Chuck, come in. 5 is on 3. If he hits it out there, he's scoring anyway.
5 is on 2. Yeah, one out. 5 is on 2. 5 is on 2.
Change your plan.
5 is on 2, one out.
You just walked in the run.
5 on 2.
Book it right here.
He's in. Frank's on 3rd. Lou P is on 2nd.
How many do you have scored?
Frank got 2 RBIs. John F got 1 RBI.
Come on, Al. Get a first and second one. 5's on 2.
5 on 2. 5 on 2. One out. One out.
One, guys. 5 is on 2. Play. All right, come on. Let's go, Bob. One more.
John was the first one.
Serge, you got to climb the fence, Serge.
All right. Almost had that. All right, come on, Bob.
Heads up!
Whoa.
Don't knock the grill over. You got to shoot the middle now, right? One out. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
It's home, they score.
Done. That's it. Inning.
Way to hustle. Good job.
Wait.
You're a runner.
Good news and bad news. You guys
Take a slider, John. Oh, boy.
Nice, but.
Oh, nice one, Gary.
Wait. Back.
Good pitch, Gary. Good pitch.
You got a piece, Mike. You got a piece. You're all right.
He's messing with your eyes. He's messing with your eyes. Go around first.
That's it. Good job. Good job.
Come on, Dennis. All right, Dean. One here, guys. Wait.
John, don't look so serious.
That's not nice. Wait.
Call illegal and it was flat, the first one.
Yes!
You're good.
All right, yeah.
You get that on camera?
Chew! Right here! Vin, right here! I'm coming to you. See, you might as well turn
Good
around.
D, guys. Good D all around. Way to go. Way to go, guys.
Way to close his mouth. What's up, sunshine?
I'm waiting for you, pal.
Watch out behind.
Psyched out with that one.
I had it swing at every.
Come on, boys.
Who's up?
That last one was about 15 feet.
Oh, it was up there. It was up there.
All right, Debbie, Frank, Joe.
Come on, Debbie, get us going. Up there.
3 feet, Bobby.
6
No, short.
You got time, you got time.
Sorry, Thank you.
Give him a second to get set. His brakes don't work like they need to. Oh.
Hides it well.
Oh. Just missed it.
I used to want to meet my buddy
Ah! Look at.
Wow. Those were the lines in the road.
Oh yeah.
Get another hit.
No pressure, no pressure.
Oh.
Joe, come on.
You hit me?
You guys are teammates. Come on, Bob. Work with them.
Come on, get a hold of one here, buddy. Get a hold of one.
That's more like it. That's more like it.
Good heads up. Good heads up.
One. There you go.
Come on, guys. Get the mercy rule. You know what. Good job. Mercy rule. Good job all around, guys. Good job all around.
One here, guys.
Heads up. Heads up.
Good way to get it.
Way to drive, buddy.
Second base.
Take.
Getting that to us.
Come on, Joey.
On the line. Lenny on the line. Power hitter.
Hey, you got 2 here, guys. 2.
Hold it.
Time. Hold it. Hold it up. Hold it. Time.
How many outs?
2 out. 2 guys, 2. We got 2. Wait. Strike. Good one, Bob.
On the knuckles, Bobby.
First base.
Ah!
Good hustle, Joey. Good hustle.
Yeah, he stays with it. You don't give up.
If I get up, get yeah.
There you go.
I was closing. I was just going to say, run.
I will I might get confused.
All right.
Mike, you're going to go to Kirk.
Well, not burgers anyway.
Wait.
No. John's going to leave.
Get there. You're in.
No, I had
Running from the plate.
All right, Lenny.
Chuck, coach third.
Dive.
We never forfeited a game.
Go, Gary.
Got it. Second.
Leg, Lenny, get leg.
Two. Oh! Got him. There you go, boys. Yeah. Two guys, two.
Wow.
Nice.
Sometimes you gotta put it together.
Yeah.
Dive.
Do this.
Yeah, do it. It's right there. It's right there whenever you guys want. 2 strikes. Yeah. All right, Joe.
Johnny.
Three down. All right, guys. Good inning.
Did you say you lost?
Good inning, Johnny.
I know where I'm coming from.
Good inning, fellas.
Keep it going, man. Keep going. Let's get a few more.
Nope, sorry. Good job, everybody. Good job. Let's get a few more. Come on, tack on a few more, guys. Come on.
That was perfect. No, you get no better than that. What you got coming in? No, I want to stay in.
Jimmy P, Vinny Q.
What's up, bud? Us? How are you? Doing great. What's up? Good. How's this fun?
Ben, you're the
Come on, let's go, Hamburger Hill. Bob.
Hamburger Hill. Let's go. Let's go, Hamburger Hill.
I'm coming home.
Look, Sunday, there's nobody there. Wait. Oh.
Yeah, I'll get it first.
Go ahead, Eddie.
Around me, huh?
I think the wind got hold of that one. Take your time, Ed.
You're the forward fielder.
This one out right field.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Get started. Who's going to run?
Tell him to stay there and go.
Hey, Donnie.
All right, one.
Feels better.
Bob! Yeah! Do it. Come on, Ed.
Go.
Right.
Drop it anyway. Drop it in there.
Time. Hey, even when you went out there, come on, John. Come on, Big John. Nobody. Come on, let's get two. Let's get two. To the glove, Ed. To the glove. Good eye, John. Ball.
I go up on the Grand Concourse, park it on the Grand Concourse and walk down.
All right. What? What up? Wait. Go on, Ed. Get it good.
Drop it in, guys. Let's drop it in.
Go home. Time. Sorry about that. You. Come on, Ed. Get glove right here, baby. Oh, some room for it.
Most kids, when they grow up, their dad, they play ball.
Come on, Ed. Little that way.
She played industrial
Hand.
football.
Safe.
Tried out for
Time.
Oh, watch the third base there, third base. One less fear.
Wait.
Your turn.
You know, and where I live, in Ozone Park.
It was sort of in the direction.
It was there, right?
So you're hitting all the time, you know?
I thought he was out.
Take a
Well,
hundred
I can't
did
tell.
too.
I don't know.
I
I thought he
can't
was
tell.
out. It looked like he was out.
Is it on video?
I called him out.
You called him out? Yeah. You look like he was out. Just a seven?
All right. We can score as many as we want.
Yeah, come on.
Stay there. There you go, Lou.
Come on, boy, get started, bud.
All right, let's play.
Yes.
Fast.
Reaching.
Whoops, sorry.
No problem.
He knows he's
I don't play
going.
soccer.
Yeah, John left.
The other John told him.
John left, yeah. Play. Right to your face, too. Nobody. Let's play.
Come on, John.
Jazz.
Pitch, Gary, good pitch.
Come on, John. Get over here, John. Get over here, John.
All right, where'd he go, guys? One, guys, one. One out.
All right, Allie, come on.
Same way, one at a time, one at a time. Don't rush.
Jazz.
Come on, Howie.
Good pick, guys.
Back there.
That's not a good sign. You're putting your bat away. Come on, leave that thing out. You're getting up again.
Come on, Howie, let's go, Howie.
I'm just happy to be here.
Oh, baby.
No!
He was off the bench.
Nah, he was on the bag.
Yeah. Go to second.
That's two.
Never know.
Two here, guys, two.
Huh? Tell me good. Come on.
Play.
Don't tell me about that game. Don't tell me about that one.
Yeah.
Come on, Howie. Go, go, go.
Oh, you got him. You got him.
Don't throw it, Lou. Don't throw it.
Guys.
All right.
I gotta end this misery.
I don't know. On your back.
Two.
One. Sometimes it skips and sometimes it doesn't.
Come on, Ed, keep it going.
Two here, guys. Two.
Come on, it's only 2 outs.
Only?
Yeah, 2 outs. You can do it.
Good job, Al.
Victory. Yes.
What do we call him?
Nice game, Blue.
Nice game, Frankie. He was on the other side of the pole. There's no doubt about it. He took 2 steps. Way to represent out there. I already got shit.
I'm fine. Thank you.
All right, you can watch my food.
Okay, I'll do that.
Kidding.
Anything need to get locked up in the bin over there? The lock in
Well done.
These are well done.
Yeah, I got 2 bottoms. Where did you play?
Take some pasta salad too, guys.
See you guys.
Like, wait. Grandfather's
Any hamburger, Jim?
in the tray over there.
Still the restaurant.
Oh, you got the prank roll, huh?
Well, I'll talk to you about one. But that's the second one.
Table for you right here.